Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to prepare pointed gourds. These are also known as patal or parval. So I'm going to prepare a very nice and spicy recipe. So to prepare this recipe we need, here I have taken near about half kilo of this pointed gourd, and I have nicely washed and peeled it. I have left little peels also, as you can see, and I have slitted it like this on from both the sides so that the spices will go in when we prepare this. So here I have taken pointed gourd. This is 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Kashmiri red chili powder, we'll be using near about half a teaspoon. Salt as per our taste. Turmeric powder we'll be using near about half a teaspoon. 1/4 teaspoon we'll be using to apply on these pointed gourds and then fry, and 1/4 teaspoon in the gravy. Here I have taken one big onion and I have finely chopped it. 2 green chilies, one has turned red also. This depends, if you want it to be more spicy you can add more green chilies. This is half a teaspoon of cumin powder, little bit of sugar. This will give a wonderful balance in the taste. And here I have taken kala jeera. This is near about 1/4 teaspoon of kala jeera, which is also known as nigella seeds in in English. In Hindi we call this kalonji also. And I'm going to prepare the recipe in mustard oil. For this recipe, friends, I recommend mustard oil only. So now let's get started. So the first step, friends, we will add little bit of salt to these pointed gourds. And we will add, as I have mentioned earlier, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. And we will nicely mix it in the pointed gourd. So friends, here I have nicely mixed the turmeric powder and salt in the pointed gourds, and now here I am heating near about 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. So our oil is heated. We will reduce the flame and we will drop in the patal or the pointed gourd into this oil. And we will fry it nicely from all the sides. Fry it over medium high flame. It should be fried from all the sides. If you have lots of pointed gourd, maybe if you're planning to make 1 kilo, you have to fry it in batches. So let's increase the flame and let's fry it nicely from all the sides. So friends, our pointed gourds are ready, they are fried. So we have to fry this much and then we will take it out in a plate. Now friends, in the same oil I will put the kala jeera, reduce the flame, and then I will add the ginger garlic paste. Just saute it a little bit so that the raw smell disappears. Now I will add the chopped onions. I will saute this onion till they become slightly cooked. So now friends, as you can see, the onions are slightly cooked. Now I am going to add the green chilies. Now I have slitted the green chilies like this. So add the green chilies, add the Kashmiri red chili powder. This will give a nice color to this recipe. Add the cumin powder and the sugar. Little bit of, very little pinch of turmeric powder, salt. Be careful when you're adding the salt, friends, as we have already added salt and fried the pointed gourds. Just mix it a little bit. Since the spices are very dry, I will put a tablespoon of water. Put the flame into medium and then we'll cook all the spices together. Now friends, as you can see, the spices are cooked properly. So now I will add half a cup of water. Increase the flame and we'll bring this to boil. Let's cover this. As this comes to boil, we will remove the lid and we will add the pointed gourd. Mix it a bit and reduce the flame to medium-high. Friends, I forgot to mention one very important ingredient. So that is garam masala powder. We are going to put 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder at this stage. And then mix it little bit. This goes very well with plain boiled rice. So now we will cover this and let it simmer for 2 minutes. So friends, now we will remove the lid. So here is our yummy pointed gourd recipe ready. We will put off the flame and transfer it to the serving plate. So friends, here is our very yummy recipe ready. Serve it hot with plain boiled rice or rotis, but I love this with plain boiled rice. Very yummy recipe, friends. I hope you liked my recipe. please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated with my latest recipe videos. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.